Now we're going to adjust the snap settings for our Revit. This is a tool that when you want to create an object or snap into an object, the object snap is the one who selects the connection. And let's say you want to snap into this object, it selects an endpoint, or it can select a middle point, and it can even select intersection if you need it. Let's say we want to close on this. So how do we adjust these snap points if we want to select and create new elements? We have to go to manage and snaps. Here you can see you can either turn it off or you can turn it on. Typically you will do the snap on tools. So here in the left dimension snaps increment, it means that when you are far from the object, it's about 1000 or 1000 mm away from your object, and 100 if you're closer, and if I closer you get 20 mm and 5 mm away from that object. The dimension snap increment. Angular dimension snap increment is 19, 45, 15 and 5 and 1 degree. I don't think we can use 1 degree, so let's set it to 15. Doesn't make sense to use any of this 1 degree. Let's use it as 5, and let's make this 15, and let's make this 30. So it's much more near the realistic figures. Here you're going to can select which one you want to check: snaps, endpoints, midpoint, nearest, work, quadrants, intersection, tangents. Here is also the shortcuts key for close, which is the SZ, or escape. You can either use the escape command, turn off, turn override off, SS, cycle through snap, tab, and force horizontal and vertical shift. Now let's use the snap. Let's create a wall. Here once you select the wall, and let's use any type of wall. Here you can see this is the object snap. It is aligning to the nearest wall. It's using the extension snap, and the dimension is about 1000 mm away from that object or in our snap. So here we create here, that is 1000. Once we go closer, it's getting less and less and less. So it's adjusting automatically based on that dimensions we have set, which is from 1000 if we go close enough. And then if we are zooming away, it's going to be 1000, and if going closer, it's going to be on the less 5 mm or 12 mm. Another one is the radius. Let's say we have a radius. We can set it now by 15, 30, or increment of 5 degrees. We have previously it was set in 1 degree increment, so we have changed it into 5 degree increment. So now we can set it to 35 or 30, but you can still key in an odd angle, let's say 29. So it will be 29 degrees. So you can set that. That is the length, and when you have the degrees, you can either change it here at 5 degree interval. So basically, that's how to add in the or adjust the snap settings in Revit. And if you want to go to the multiple or cycle through the snap setting, you press tab. Whatever is closest to it, it will change to the closest connection endpoint, or it can be an intersection. You can cycle through. Only those two are applicable in this location. So that is how to use the snap settings in Revit. Thank you.